In today's video, you will learn how to create a sub-navigation menu, also known as a cascading menu. A submenu is a menu contained within your main menu, allowing visitors to navigate and access more of your website's content easily. To create a submenu, right-click on your navigation menu and select Edit Navigation Bar. From here, click on the plus sign next to the main page you want to add subpages. Then double-click for each page you want to add. Don't forget to add the links upon creation. Then click on the pop-up menu style to customize the look of your submenu to your liking. Choose a font, set the font size and color, background color, and submenu animation, among other options. Make sure to preview your project in your browser to see the final result. You can also add a submenu to your submenu. Follow the same previous steps. Watch our next video to learn more about building your website with Xara.